Hey Rex.
Hey Rex.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back. Y'all missing the action. This chair is getting a lot of action.
Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Jay. Please don't forget to subscribe for the vibes.
And I am trying to make sure you like, comment, share, listen whenever you see it. It's okay for you to share it. Turn on your notification bell so whenever we post a video of good food and laughter, you will receive it. Also, give this video a thumbs up for this beautiful blue crab baby done made.
If you have nothing good to say, don't say anything. We are going to say grace. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. Amen.
Amen.
So, on the menu today, we have blue crab curried Jamaican style.
Jamaican style. Look,
yeah, man.
And babe put some, because I told her that I wanted some
carrot.
And I'm going to eat them that big.
Mm-hmm.
And I also told her that I want some potato. Yeah, I'm going to eat it that big. I'm an eater, you know.
Yeah.
And she did just that.
So we haven't had this in a while and babe been craving it for a minute. So we decided, here we go.
Yeah.
And we do have a little sauce from the curry right there.
I couldn't wait to eat it. I love me carrot. Yeah.
It tastes good with it, baby. Now, usually in Jamaica, they put a lot of spice in these. Like, you cannot have crab without the spice. We put limited spice in this, if any at all. But it's still good.
Still good.
I hope you guys are having a wonderful, 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 wonderful day. I hope you guys are eating something wonderful. Something delicious.
I'm eating something delicious. Look, guys. We want to do something with you guys. We have babe have some personality, name, and what was it? Description of like who their regular everyday people are, like their personality
and stuff like that. It's a game.
I haven't heard it yet, and babe is gonna read it out. She's gonna do 3. So we're gonna do part 2 because it's like a lot of them. So
yeah.
We're gonna split up the video in 2. So she's gonna do 3 today. List out for your personality.
And comment down below
which personality you think match you. And we're gonna also do the same thing. I'm gonna listen for which personality match me as well, and so is babe.
Definitely. It should be a really fun game. Because when you do find out what your personality is, then it kind of opens your eyes, you know, just in case you didn't realize.
Okay, so maybe like career path.
Yeah, and, you know, hobbies probably. And
what you're good at,
yeah,
great at.
You never
and
know.
who doesn't want to know what they're great at?
You never know. So, I'll read the first one, and then we'll talk a little bit about it. All right. The first one is artisan, and they have in bracket, creative. Artisans create moods, environments, things, buildings, paintings, ideas. The entertainment industry is filled with artisans. Typical occupation include artists, musician, innovators, inventors, eccentrics, interior designers, trendsetters. And it also states that 20% of the U.S. population has this type of personality.
20%?
20%.
That's not a lot, though.
No. So I'll repeat it again. They create moods, environment, things, buildings, paintings, ideas. That's the definition of that one.
And there's no back on the crab.
Yeah, it was already clean when we got it.
Backless crab.
It was already clean when we got it. Okay. So do you think you're that type of personality?
You read it again? Read it again. You read it already? Read it again? I didn't hear the food.
They create mood.
Okay.
I'm making a whole bunch of mess on my clothes. Tell you that. This is one thing I will never go out and eat. Nope, I will not eat this in public. I am not good at it. Nope. Artisans create moods, environment, things, buildings, paintings, and idea.
Moods and right now. But I actually know someone who's like that.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. What about you?
Yeah, I do know a few people who are like that. A few entertainment type. Oh yeah, we do know one too.
Mm-hmm.
Does music and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely.
But it says they create energy.
Environment. Environment, mood, things, and building. So comment down below if you think you're this personality. Second one.
Is your spouse that personality?
Hey. The second one is priest or priestess. And they have in bracket inspirational leader. Found in all walks of life, priests are inspiring, uplifting, and motivating personalities. Many people say they feel better in the presence of a priest due to their ability to be compassionate. Priests challenge people to be the best they can be and can often see beyond the obvious to where someone's growth is blocked. They tend to be concerned about the larger aspects of society rather than focusing on details.
That could sound like me. I see how that could sound like me, but it's not. I'm just saying it could
No,
sound like me.
You would have to enlighten me as to how that could sound like you, because I am confused.
I just like the fact that they say priest.
No, I figured you was going from that noble aspect of it. Yeah,
definitely. So when you say priest, I was already gone. I was like, that's me.
I figured you was thinking something like that. No, but I read it. I knew you would have thought that, and I'm like, I will reread it again, so to clarify to you that you're not that.
Okay.
I'm just saying. I reread.
It sounded like it was me.
I don't want to
when
confuse
it said
you.
priest, you're thinking about like
the
a
holy
preacher.
Yeah, I know.
Somebody that served God.
I don't.
So I'm like, hey, as soon as this person said preach, I was like, right, that's me. Dead serious, that's me. Then I was like, as she read along into it, I was like, nah, it ain't me.
Yeah, okay. I knew you would have thought that, but no. That's not. That's. Comment down below if you think that that personality matches yours
or match mine.
Or matches trend. Or if it matches your spouse. One more to go. I'm going to take a few bites first before we get into it.
And this is good because I want to know my personality.
Me too. I mean, I think you kind of have an idea what your personality is like on a general basis, but...
To know depth into it.
That's where the interest comes in, and then it gets more exciting.
Yeah.
Because then you learn something new eventually.
It tells you what you're good at, so...
It does.
You just know right away what you're good at. If you know right away what you're good at, you cut directly to it. You
automatic.
Yeah.
And then sometimes when you find out, it kind of confirms something that you was already thinking about yourself. Like, I already knew I could have did that. And then you read it and it's like, oh.
That's why when you was reading the priest thing, I thought it was me, because in my everyday life, I really act like a priest.
You get this thing confused. I make me feel like read it again for you, because I don't think you understand me.
I read it again.
No, me feel like read it again.
I read it again.
I may read it again, because I don't think you understand. Me figure read it again. Hold on.
You read it?
Yeah, I'm gonna read it.
Oh, you want to say?
Priest.
You trying to say that's not me?
I'm not trying to say it was not you. I'm telling you that it's not you. It's two different things. What does that tell you? Priest and priestess.
Priest and priestess?
Oh,
Priest and priestess?
you know how much of the US population has this type of personality? You want to guess?
Real definition of them again, I'm going to tell you.
Okay.
Let's see how kind they are.
Found in all walks of life, priests are inspiring, uplifting, and motivating personalities. Many people say they feel better in the presence of a priest due to their ability to be compassionate. Priests challenge people to be the best they can be and can often see beyond the obvious to where someone's growth is being blocked. They tend to be concerned about the larger aspects of society rather than focusing on details. You know, say, to be honest.
I would.
And that part they catch me.
You want me to answer how much percent?
Okay. Go.
When you read it, did you say empathy?
No, it didn't say that. It said compassion.
Compassion.
Uh-huh.
Okay. The world have none, so I'm going to say 5%.
You say how much?
The world have no compassion, so I'm going to say 5%.
Lies. You know how much it is?
5%.
3 to 5%. Yeet.
Jay. Jay.
Yo.
Hey, look.
You got it.
Hey, look. Ask me how I knew.
How you knew that?
I'm going to tell you how I knew, Jay. The world have no goddamn compassion. The world have no compassion. That's how I know. Like,
wow.
I'm proud of myself. No, I really got it. Let me see.
You did though. I'm serious. I'm gonna read it. Typical occupation include minister, coaches, motivational teachers, seminar leaders, counselors, healing professionals, business leaders. It only takes a few priests to inspire a lot of people. 3 to 5% of the US population.
Hey. Hey, that's sad.
It is. I'm just looking at it now.
People have no compassion.
Where did the compassion go?
Hey.
World.
No, Jay. That's not me.
No, it's not.
That's the priest?
Oh,
God.
No, the priests have the compassion. They're the one that carries it. All right, here go the last one.
Yo, alright, so don't tell me percent. I'll tell you.
Yes.
I'll tell you percent.
Here we go. Kings and queens, monarch. And in the bracket they have chief and born leader, right? Kings, queens are born leaders, usually handling very large-scale efforts throughout their life with power and authority, even if they choose a career as an administrative assistant or a department supervisor. That's it. Typical occupation include presidents, generals, and master organizers. Not all leaders are kings and queens, and not all kings and queens are leaders. Message.
Jane. So wait, there's really kings and queens out there.
Yeah.
Everybody call themselves kings and queens.
No, but there are actual people with the title of being kings and queens. Of being kings and queens. They actually have the title of that.
Okay, look.
All right, presented.
That's not me, Period. What about you?
Nah, hell no.
Okay.
I mean, not that it's bad, but.
Tell me what they do. Okay.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Kings and queens are born.
By the way, that 3 to 5%. I'm in it.
Me too. Yeah, definitely. Kings and queens. The reason why it's so surprising that it's that low. Kings and queens are born leaders, usually handling very large-scale efforts throughout their life with power and authority, even if they choose a career as an administrative assistant or a department supervisor. Their typical occupations include presidents, general, and master organizers. Not all leaders are kings and queens, and not all kings and queens are leaders.
Right. I got a drink. You know what?
Go ahead for the Kool-Aid.
Let's start for the Kool-Aid. Let's up for the Kool-Aid. Yo. You're right. This chair over here is getting a lot of action. Listen, I wish I was a chair. Okay, I'm gonna say.
Surprise me.
You're
Stuff
right.
like that.
I'm gonna tell you how patient Jody is with me. Look, I will ask Jody the same question 10 times. 10 times. And never ever, she will ever get frustrated with me. She will always answer. More softer than the first. It's like she's sorry for my brain. And she's like, baby, listen. Blah, 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 blah. Matchmaking heaven, huh? All right.
Percentage.
I mean, I gotta say, 15?
No.
All right, tell me.
1 to 2%.
What? Become leaders and stuff? What is this? Fear a leader?
I have no idea what it is. I mean, you could have the personality that you fear it, but
Would that be considered you? What?
I don't know if I'm a master organizer, if I could do stuff on a large scale. I
Because
could,
kings
but
and queens?
comment down below and tell us if that personality matches your personality.
Well, are you a say all the personality? Are you a which one the first one?
We did the artesian personality, which is the creative one. We did the priest and the priestess. And then we did the kings and queens.
So none of the three wasn't you?
No. I did not resonate with any of those.
Does none of them sound like me?
No. I haven't heard mine yet, so I'm waiting for part 2.
I'm waiting for part 2 too, because I didn't hear mine, but I think mine is going to be something fantastic, because I'm a fantastic person.
I think so too.
Yeah. Really? Jay, you listen. You know not to mess with my ego.
I know.
My ego will go straight through the roof.
I know.
But
I'm going to still do it. I think your personality is going to be nice.
Good personality? Really?
Yeah. You have a fun personality.
I'm a goofy. I think you have a fun personality. I think you talk a lot of shit.
Am I goofy? You think I'm goofy?
You know. You have me a laugh every day. You have me cracking up every day, Jay.
Well,
Listen.
I'm trying for something.
Listen, Rax.
I'll take it.
Any spouse, if you with your spouse, look at crab up here, baby.
Where?
Oh, got it. If you with your spouse, right? Because I'm a person that love to laugh. I'm jovial. And if I'm with a spouse that can't make me laugh, or can't be jovial, or keep me entertained, I get bored easily. If your spouse can't keep you entertained,
yeah, you're finna get bored.
I'm bored.
Boredom is not good for a relationship.
Jay keep me entertained because she's always twerking. And hey, who doesn't love a good twerker?
I know.
But I like the personality thing.
Yeah.
I can't wait for mine because he's going to tell me if I was following my career path. That's what I'm waiting for.
Well, that's true. Even if you have at least a little bit of it.
Yes. All right, Raps. My lady friend is eating. It's okay.
Whoa, that had the pepper.
No, Jay. I'm sorry, I forgot to show you how good this tastes. I didn't just eat it up.
I know.
Our camera's on. Tear it up.
Well, that's enough for you to eat off camera.
Yeah. No, it's not a lot. It's like 5.
What's that?
All right.
Don't forget to comment down below and tell us if you heard your personality today. If not, there's part 2 coming. So you could tell us definitely what your personality is. We didn't hear our personality today either, so we are definitely looking forward to part 2. So.
And listen, hey, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, guys.
Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. And we do appreciate every single one of you for watching always and always for supporting us. We do appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you. Until we see you again, until we meet again, I hope you have a good time, a fun time, a fun time. Hey guys, put laughter in your life. It will light it up. Bye,
Bye,
guys.
guys.